Alright guys, what's up everyone, and welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Solana. Look at that, up 24% in the past 7 days. We got a 20% increase today, currently traded at $42.31. We are right below Uniswap right here. Can we pass Uniswap? Yes, very possible. Only $2 billion away. Let's have a look real quick how many people are watching it. We got 300,000 approximately people watching it, so this coin is high. $11.4 billion market cap, and we have a nice little increase right here, which is beautiful. I'm going to dive into the charts real quick, but before that, let's dive in right here into what it does. So as you guys can see, you can now build crypto apps that scale on the Solana ecosystem. Essentially, just a quick overview. Look at that average fee per transaction. That's beautiful. That's not even 1 cent. Now Ethereum, in comparison to Ethereum is very high. By the way, Bitcoin is breaking out right here. I'm gonna dive into that in just a second. But yeah, Ethereum is pretty slow, and the fees are high. Look at that, it's scalable, it's low cost, composable, never worry about rising fees. Ethereum, when there's a lot of people using the system, ERC20 tokens, it essentially starts to get over compacted or over congested, you would say, and the fees tend to rise. So let's dive into the charts real quick, but before that, let's dive into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is king. He is the leader, as you guys know. So we are currently right now breaking out on the daily time frame right here. If we have a look at the exponential moving average, and the reason why I'm starting with Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is king, and as you guys can see, this whole market is booming, and it's only because of Bitcoin. So right here, guys, these are the exponential moving average right here. We haven't been below these EMA ribbons for quite some time right now. And above it, sorry, we haven't been above it for quite some time, and we never even had a chance. So we got a nice little rejection right here at the 20 EMA exponential moving average, the EMA ribbon. In my opinion, we're most likely going to retest the 37,658. Why am I saying this? Well, if we have a look on the 1 hour time frame, sorry, we are indeed in a inverse head and shoulder, guys, inverse head and shoulder, which is bullish. So if we take off these exponential moving average, I'm gonna draw out the inverse head and shoulder. So this is the left shoulder right here. We got the left shoulder, then we got the head, and then we got the right shoulder. Okay, this right here was the neckline, or right here, whatever, for your perfect teeth out there, whoever wants to make it perfect, it's like that. Now if we take it from the bottom to the breakout, and we put it at the breakout, which was essentially here, our target is 582. Now if we have a look at the EMA ribbons on the daily time frame, it almost meets up with that target. You see that, guys? It almost meets up with that exponential moving average. So this is why we're gonna go there, number one, because number one, we have the inverse head and shoulder, and number two, we got the EMA ribbon. So we have a few signs saying that we will reach there. I actually spoke to a few of my friends, and I told them that we're most likely gonna retest 37,000. I couldn't make a video earlier because I was busy. I was at the gym. Anyways, that being said, yes, we are bullish on the shorter time frame, but I wouldn't bank on that, of course. If we have a look at the moving average right here, we are meeting, or we are about to have a death cross, guys. Now this is very important, because if the 50 EMA crosses over and the 200 crosses over right here, this would be the death cross. This would be extremely bearish, guys. So I hope that Bitcoin does not do that, because if we do that, if we do meet up to that, then it's going to be very bloody out there, in my honest opinion. So this is why we have to be careful, not over leverage, and not overdo anything. Anyways, another thing is that, guys, Bitcoin today officially announced in El Salvador that it would be a legal tender coin. So you can now use Bitcoin as cash, and or like cash, essentially. It would be noticeable as cash. Anyways, having a look at the 4 hour time frame right here, we got a nice little rejection off the 50 moving average, as you guys can see right here. Beautiful rejection. Unfortunately, that's pretty ugly, but it's gonna really depend how we come back to that, and if we're able to break above that. We also had a nice little resistance right here, as you guys can see. This was a nice little resistance. If I take out the VPVR volume profile, and I actually put it from here to here, or even before that, sorry, from here to here, we can see that the VPVR, or point of control, is right here. As you guys can see, the yellow line. I'm not sure if you guys can see it here. Let me take away this resistance. Okay, so this is the VPVR. So ever since June 5th, so that's about 5 days from now, we got rejected exactly at the volume point of control right here, which is a very important sign. And yeah, anyways, having a look at the volume real quick, let's see. The volume is increasing. It's good. It's a good sign. That means, this candle is actually more legit than the other candles and these candles. That means it's not a fake out. This is a real breakout. We are seeing an increase in volume, which is beautiful. And the 4 hour time frame closes in 51 minutes. So we got some time for this candle to increase. If this candle I believe passes right here, which is 2,000 bitcoins or 2,000, yeah, worth of volume. If we manage to pass the 29,000 when we dropped here, I believe that we will be continuing to the upside, and our next resistance would be 42,000. 42,000 is a level I've been speaking about for quite some time. Why? Because of this resistance right here. This resistance is very, very important right here, and it meets up exactly with the moving average. Anyways, if we go back to the daily time frame real quick, guys, we are seeing a rising, falling wedge. Sorry. So if I zoom in, let me take that away. If I zoom in and I drive, and this is actually pretty bullish, guys. It's pretty good in my opinion. So as you guys can see right here, sorry, no, that wasn't it. So right here, this is sort of a rising wedge. You could extend it more like that if you guys want. We saw this nice little fake out right here. In my opinion, we're most likely going to get rejected around this area, 37,000. You could even extend it like this. This would still be a rising wedge, by the way, guys. So we could actually extend this right here to 37, get rejected, come back down to 31,000, and then pop back up. If this is a falling wedge that's accurate, our target would be 40,000. So of course you could take a long right here at 31,000. I will be looking for a nice little pullback. Anyways, that being said, let's have a look at Sol. By the way, for you guys who want to look at FIO coin right here, I made a video on FIO. I'm gonna tag it right here on the top right screen. And we are actually breaking out right now. We are at a nice, beautiful breakout. We were consolidating right here for quite some time. FIO protocol, I'm assuming, came out. I made a video, I forgot, it was a while ago. So look at this beautiful candle, guys, right above the exponential moving average. Just a quick update on FIO. Let's have a look at Solana. Solana, guys, Solana. This is the chart. This is the coin that I was covering at the beginning of the video, a few minutes ago, essentially. Beautiful breakout. Look at that. We've been trending above the EMA exponential moving average. We barely went down. We saw a nice little W pattern right here, as you guys can see. This was the W-shaped pattern, and we essentially broke out of the neckline. The neckline was something like this. What else can we see? Well, if we have a look at the exponential at the regular moving average, guys, right here. Sorry, let me remove this. Let me remove that. So if we have a look at the exponential on the regular moving average on the 4-hour time frame, we are having a golden cross, guys. So this was the death cross we saw. Okay, so we were bearish ever since we came below these the 200 moving average. We were bearish, and now we finally broke above right here, June 5th, 5 days ago. We broke above. Okay, this was the dump, the Bitcoin dump. It was a fake out, essentially. Came back. Now we are above. We are trending above the 200 moving average, which is a bit bullish. What is a golden cross? Essentially, golden cross is when you have the 50 moving average crossing over the 200 moving average towards the upside. And if we zoom in, guys, this can happen. This golden cross can happen within the next couple of hours, few hours, even the next day. Very possible, depending on what Solana and when it closes, and then the next 4-hour candle. Essentially, we are about to close in 47 minutes, so it's going to be very interesting. If we have a look at the EMA ribbon, we came back down and almost touched these ribbons, so it's pretty nice in my opinion. Pretty nice pullback. We got rejected right here at the support, so we had some nice little support. These candles right here were supporting us, and we actually got rejected right exactly at that area. So if you guys are perfect traders, that's an amazing buy. I know people that essentially put an order at 41.32. That's on the 4-hour time frame. Anyways, that is today's daily cryptocurrency update, guys. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.